From the 8th to the 11th of April 2024, the annual event called CinemaCon took place in Las Vegas, Nevada, in the United States. CinemaCon is a big meeting of all the big companies and studios that own cinemas and make some of the biggest and most popular films around the world. At the event, there were also some famous film stars and movie executives who came to showcase or to present their new films. CinemaCon is known for being interesting and exciting, and this year was no exception. Some of the highlights were the appearance or the coming or the arrival of some really famous stars, such as Ariana Grande, who is a famous pop singer, and also Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, who is one of the biggest and most muscular actors in the world. Fans were also able to see teaser trailers, which are much like film trailers but just a lot shorter, for new films that will come out, such as Moana 2 and Joker Folie à Deux. A double dose of Disney. Walt Disney Studios showed fans unreleased clips, which are scenes from movies that have not been released yet to the public, of Deadpool and Wolverine, and also Moana 2. The two main actors from Deadpool and Wolverine are Hugh Jackman and Ryan Reynolds. They opened the clips virtually, which means that they were not there in person, but they were there through a screen online. Fans were really happy to see Hugh Jackman come back to the role of Wolverine, and they also laughed a lot at jokes that were made against the CEO, or the leader of the company, of Marvel Studios. However, some people were disappointed that the stars were not there in person in reality, so Disney brought Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson onto the stage instead. He did a performance dancing with Polynesian dancers and introduced a clip, a short trailer, of Moana 2. In the film, he plays a character called Maui. We're going back to the Colosseum. Paramount Pictures, which is another big film studio, shared the first trailer of Gladiator 2 on the stage of the Colosseum at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. Caesar's Palace is a luxury and very expensive hotel that is decorated to look like ancient Rome. Gladiator 2 is the sequel, the second movie, which continues the story of the first movie, to Gladiator, which was released in the year 2000. The director, Ridley Scott, said that the film would be well worth the wait. Gladiator 2 will release in November this year. More Nights at Freddy's. The boss of Universal Film Studios, Donna Langley, reflected on, she thought about, the success of her company since last year. She talked about the film Oppenheimer being a huge hit, meaning that it was really popular. She also said 3 things. 1. That's not enough for us. 2. The studio will be even more popular in the future. And 3. More and more cinemas are having difficulty attracting customers to watch films. Universal also announced, they said or they stated, that in autumn 2025, there will be a sequel to the film Five Nights at Freddy's, which is based on a video game of the same name. We're going gaga for Joker Folie à Deux. The trailer for the sequel to Joker was shown for the first time. Fans were able to see Lady Gaga's version of Harley Quinn. Joaquin Phoenix plays the role of the Joker, which he won an Oscar for after doing the first movie. It seems that in the film, Joker and Harley Quinn meet and fall in love in Arkham Asylum before they escape and form a musical duo. The director of the film, who is called Todd Phillips, said that the movie is not a musical, but that music is an essential element. That's all for today. If you learned something, like the video or the article made you feel happy and hopeful, please give the video a like, and you can click on the little notification bell so that you can stay up to date with some of the best and most positive and important things that are happening in the world today, all while improving your English. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.